Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to make this cute little toast together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a knot, just like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over, and fasten this. We need to do 7 chain first. After the 7 chain, in the second stitch from our hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over go through 2 loops to do a single crochet. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then in each stitch we do 1 single crochet. We need to do 6 single crochet in total. Put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. Also, if you're new, you can also put a mark on the very last stitch. After finishing the very last single crochet, we do 1 chain and flip it. For this round, we do 6 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And we need to do 3 more rounds of the 6 single crochet. And the mark place should be our very last stitch for this round. So after finish the 6 single crochet with 1 chain, and we just repeat the 6 single crochet 3 more times. So after finishing the 3 rounds of the single crochet, we do 2 chain here and we flip it. In the first stitch, we yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over. We should have 3 loops on our hook. We go through the 3 loops at once. We do a half double crochet, and then in the same stitch we do 1 more half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through the 3 loops. And then for the next 4 stitches, 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 3 loops. Next stitch is the same, yarn over, and go through 3 loops. After the 4 half double crochet, in our very last stitch, we do 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 3 loops, and do 2 more half double crochet in the same stitch. After finishing the 3 half double crochet in the same stitch, we do 1 chain here, and then we snip off. So in here, we just use a darker color to make the eyes. We need to do 1 more of this. After finishing 2 of them, we need to do the outside. Make sure the front face is facing us, and then we grab the yarn. We need to crochet both of them. In the corner place, we put our hook in and grab this on back, yarn over here, yarn over once again to do 1 chain. In the same stitch, we need to do a single crochet, put our hook in. You can put this little end on top of our hook to carry it, and then yarn over here, do a single crochet. For this round, the pattern is all single crochet around, and for the side part, there is no specific number of single crochet we need to do because the stitch is very hard to recognize. We just try to do it evenly on both sides. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and we'll update weekly. After finishing the very last single crochet, you can do a normally put your hook in, do a slip stitch and do 1 chain and then slip off. But today we're going to do a fixed stitch. We leave about this long and then snip off. Then this is our very first stitch. Here we put our hook from back, the full stitch like this, and then we grab this yarn. This is our very last stitch. We do the same, but in half stitch. From the back, we put our hook in the center of this stitch, like this, only half, and then we yarn over. This is the fifth stitch we just made. This way is more organized, and then we just need to weave those in. So if you want, you can also add some blush on it. So this is about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.